Alright guys, this is going to be a video on my new wireless monitoring system, the Shimbol TP Mini. This thing is $89. I watched like 2 videos and bought it because it is that awesome. So I actually recently for Prime Day, what I ended up doing was buying the SmallRig Magic Fizz system, and I got the whole thing because it was on a really good deal. And so I had that, and I've had a video monitoring system that just kind of lives on top of my camera. And what I was doing was actually having a really long HDMI cable hooked up to this, and then just moving and then going back, moving and going back. And you know, that just really stinks when you're doing manual focus. And I am just at the point where I want to stay in manual focus and kind of force myself to get better at making videos, and hopefully at some point like making documentaries and things like that. But this has actually helped me out so much, and it obviously helps me out when I'm just doing everything myself. I can just look at this and I know I'm out of focus, bring myself back in focus. Let me actually look here, yep. And that does help. But one of the things I wanted to use for this is so when I'm helping to monitor someone else, I can actually sit across from them on the other side, and rather than always being behind one of my cameras or something like that, I can actually use this in order to do that. And all the wireless video monitoring systems out there, they're just so expensive and kind of out of my price range as a beginner. I had the Pocket 6K Pro and then the Pocket 6K G2, and I have the same line of lens on it, so that way it can look similar. But really, having a wireless video monitoring system, I've just thought is going to be out of my price range, things like that. I did use some money to get the wireless follow focus system from SmallRig, so that way I could actually mount this grip on the side of my 6K Pro and then use the little finger dial in order to focus, so that way I could pull focus when holding it. But then I also got the whole system, so that way it will kind of grow with me, and people are actually liking this enough to where you can use it. So I've been really excited about being able to use that on some kind of interview or documentary thing. I don't know. I just wanted to do something with like telling stories, but Shimbol is actually coming in clutch because it's so easy to use. It is made of lots of metal, a little bit of plastic on the top where the receiver actually is. But it's so nice when filming myself that I can actually just look at myself, get myself in focus without ever going back to the camera. That's awesome. One of the main things I would love to do is sit in these interview chairs on the other side of the camera and just kind of have this set up with me, and then so if someone's going out of focus, I can just pull it in focus without touching the camera or anything, or making shakes or anything like that. And hopefully one time putting one of these cameras on my shoulder and then being able to use this as a grip and follow focus, or maybe even handing this off to someone else so that they can pull focus. I'm not really sure, but this whole system now is actually making it to where I feel like I can try to do those things now, where before I was just like, you know, one day I'll experiment with that and get better at it, but I don't have the money to do it. So $89, and it uses the batteries I already have. And the monitor I have on here is just the Atmos Shinobi, so it's a more affordable one. But this whole system has just been really awesome to have, and it doesn't blow the bank, so it's made being able to use my pocket camera so much easier, and I know that this can actually grow with me, so I am pretty happy. And if you guys want to see more about me using this, just let me know. I did actually make this setup really quick, also to just test with some of the gear I have, if this would be kind of a good interview setup. So let me know what you think about that. I might maybe move this camera over to the side more, but I thought maybe having a close-up that's off, and then the wide shot that's front. I was just trying to see if that would look good. I have my main light right here, and then just some portable lights on the side here for fill, and then for my back here. And that's really all I got going on. I did turn on just some random lights I had in the back just to light up the room. But what do you guys think about that? I don't know, I'm just here experimenting, but this whole setup has been so awesome that I feel like I can actually start to get some shots that I haven't been able to get. And so I'm super happy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm starting this journey, so any help or feedback would be awesome. Alright guys, take it easy, and I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm still a small channel, and all the help that you can do, especially to get me to those 500 subscribers so I can start possibly being partnered with YouTube, would be a dream come true. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye.